In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. Then click on Apps section and scroll down. After that, just click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. I want to change my home apps. I have to click over here. Click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Select Allow and got it in the pop-ups, just in Home Launcher case. And click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!